Hi guys, welcome back to episode 2 of Tigercraft, Preseason 1. And this is our base, we've got some stuff going on. But today, we're in our armor, because we fight the dragon! Multiple times. And if there happen to be any discrepancies, I recorded some of the clips out of order because of when we fought the dragon and such. So just to let you all know, just there could be some slight discrepancies going on. So yeah, let's get into it.
Hello, friends.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hang on, Eternal.
Hi.
Here we go. Wait. Eternal, I forgot. Almost forgot. Here's what I made for you. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Thanks.
There we go.
Kind of just said that I don't have pants on, but
Nice. Oh.
you weren't listening, obviously.
Are we ready then? Are you ready?
I was occupied with a horn. I was occupied with the sound of a horn.
I'm ready.
Ready.
I'm ready.
I am.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Whee! There.
Wait, why is Ghost
Oh.
going into the portal?
Thank you.
Do we have a
Follow
wait?
me.
Get up again. Why?
Come back.
Wait,
Follow me.
Who we? Okay, we're following Ghost.
Follow Ghost
Okay.
into
Yeah.
the
Uh-oh.
portal.
We're going in.
We need to
Going
go back
in.
through the portal.
Why are you going through the portal?
Apparently they have a
Ghost, where
shortcut.
did you?
I
go?
built the
they-
portal
did you
at
make
the
one?
end portal.
Apparently I Ghost set it up
Oh.
earlier.
Is
I
it?
set
it up.
Where is it? Did you? Okay. All right.
Where
Where
are
are
we
you
going?
guys?
Come on.
Where
Back
are you
up
guys?
the
Back up the
scaffolding. Back
scaffolding.
up the scaffolding.
Up the scaffolding.
Up the scaffolding.
This way. Beep beep. This way.
Oh, this is sad.
All right,
portal.
here we go.
Who
Okay,
found
okay,
this
let's get the-
portal and didn't light up the area? What kind of madman are you?
I forgot torches.
Where is the bed? We need to leave.
Do we? Yeah. Who's the designated bed carrier?
Hang on. Wait. Don't put the last one in just yet. Let's.
Where is
I
the
wasn't
bed
going
keeper?
to. So who needs arrows before we go anywhere?
Oh, I need some.
Oh yeah, I would
You
like
need
some
arrows.
arrows.
Yeah. Okay.
Please.
What do you mean? Oh gosh, we're
arrows.
still doing that.
And there's
Oh god.
potions of slow falling in the chest as well
Oh,
for those who want to.
I want
Yeah,
to,
I-
but
I
I
don't
also
know,
want to
it's
show
like-
off
Yes, I
how cool I
can-
am and use a bucket, but I probably will die that way.
Someone got
You
the
know
one I
what?
was going to
I'm a be risky and not take one. Actually, never mind. Wait. Is there enough for everyone though? Because I
There
won't
are
take it. If it's
6.
not in.
Okay, well I'll live. I have
Well, there's
faith.
All right,
7,
okay.
so it's fine. I'll be.
All right. Okay.
Ready? Steady. Boom.
Oh,
We're gonna go first.
Space.
That is
My
so
gosh.
scary.
What is that?
One at a time because
Looks
we
so-
don't know where the starting.
Oh,
It looks so black and deep inside.
Okay.
bye, Dr.
We
Wolf.
have no
I'm waiting for
idea.
Dr.
And we
Wolf
have
with
no
the
idea
arrows.
because we can't hear him.
that looks.
Dr.
What
Wolf,
happens?
Looks.
are you alive?
It looks
Hello?
Don't
like
worry.
space.
No
I
answer.
shall fear it too.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh, crapamole.
What?
What's
Sound
what's
good.
wrong?
What's in there?
What's wrong?
We got some distance to go, guys.
Oh, well, can I
Oh,
come
Right, I'll come
in
Yeah.
with my
the whole
blocks.
Gigacy? Okay.
I'm not going
Oh.
yet just because it's gonna be crowded.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
I'm gonna wait.
Oh,
Waiting
Oh.
until.
fuck.
What are you building that with? Oh my goodness.
Oh, no,
Hi,
that's
Felix.
bad.
How's it going?
Hello. I'm doing good.
Do you want me
We're
to?
just gonna
do
hang
you have
out
enough
here.
of
Someone
that?
tell me if he starts. Someone tell me if he starts coming, because I'm.
He's
gonna-
coming. He's throwing
Oh,
stuff.
he's coming! He's coming! He's coming! Shit! Oh fuck! That's really bad. That's like really bad.
Oh no, the dragon is
Alright,
coming.
I'll build some
You
supports.
need a mint?
Woohoo! Well done.
I don't know if this is gonna help, but I feel
What is-
safer.
Oh shoot!
Don't push. Oh, careful. There's breath.
It's interesting just looking over the
Ow,
black abyss.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Where-
nice.
where
Is
are
the
my
breath
golden
ever
apples when I
gonna
need
go
them?
away? I don't
It's
have
beautiful.
any.
No, that breath is staying for some reason. Can anyone else?
Why
Oh,
is
it's
that breath-
shaded, will
Ow,
give
ow.
like a new
Don't
texture,
hit.
you know.
Don't
Oh,
stop.
oh
Stop,
shoot!
Well,
Okay, it left.
if anyone
I'm
betting
going
Dr.
again.
Wolf would be the first one to die.
I'm like,
Uh,
who's
I mean-
hitting us? What's happening? Are you good over there? Do you need more blocks?
I think I should be alright for now.
Wait,
Okay,
Bex
I
only
have-
just
all the-
got an iron
Wait.
armor?
Oh, the
Hold on.
the
Where
shelter goes away every time someone teleports, I guess.
son of a
Yeah, it'll respawn the end portal. It respawns that pad.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you need to make
Yeah, we built
you
the
need to
house
either make
like,
it
on top
really,
of
really
it.
big and
Okay,
set
we'll do
around
that.
it, or
Okay, the dragon is not on this side right now. I was
or
scared.
just make a
So-
way off so that it's easier to.
Is it safe to go in? Or
Hey,
what's
okay, right, come on,
going
guys, you can come, 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 come.
Yeah,
Depends.
it's good. You can go.
Okay, they say it's good, but
It's
is
good.
it though?
Yes.
Okay.
I only will go when you guys reach
Oh my god! Oh
land.
my god!
Felix,
Screw it.
go.
Okay, yeah, it
Alright,
is
there we
good.
go.
it is
Stairway
good,
up.
good,
Stairway up. Let's
good.
go, 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 go.
Okay, ready?
I've got someone
ready,
else. I've
go.
got someone
Oh,
else's
yeah.
stuff.
God, I suck
Run
at
around like a
arrowy.
crazy person. How about
Oh no!
that?
Who angered angered an Enderman?
I got
Oh
one.
my
Wolf.
Well, we know who angered the
I
Enderman.
suck.
Ooh, I stepped on
Oh,
that.
crap. I
You
think
hit
I
the
angered
dragon,
one.
No. Higher. Lower.
My safety hut is no longer safe.
Right. Okay. Let's
The
do
lag
this.
Yes,
is not
please.
allowing me to shoot.
Oh god. Why did that do so much damage? Why am I being targeted the whole time?
Eternal,
this
come
one's already
here.
gone.
Come here to the safe base.
Is the next one broken?
Sorry, I'm crossbowing them all.
holy shit.
Oh, okay. People are mad at me.
I like how we're all trying to shoot this one. Oh.
Why are you going for
No.
me, you stupid dragon?
Get out.
Who's building the giant scaffolding over there?
What me?
may
I
have
can't
been me.
I can't see shit.
Oh, I got the
All right, I think that's all of them.
Oh,
Okay.
I messed
fuck.
up.
okay. Somebody already got this one too.
Yeah, I
Is
think
that-
they're all gone.
Are they
I
all
don't know.
okay? Well, I can get a good viewpoint up here, so I'll check.
I'm trying. I like how I'm trying to look
nice
down
shot.
in real life, not to look at the Enderman, which is
No,
definitely
there's
helping.
one left. There's one left.
Go, 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 go.
There's one left behind you.
Hit its head.
There's-
I'll let you guys handle that. Get him. Oh, he's out.
Good. F3 plus B.
Welcome to the safety hut.
Oh, arrows are so. Wait, there's one still alive. He's still getting healed.
I said so. I said so.
Someone just try the last one, please.
I'm on my way to do it.
I'm with you as well for backup, just in case you get knocked off.
Oh god.
There's
Feather
water.
falling. Lovely.
There's a
She's
pearl.
got feather falling.
No,
She
I'm
doesn't
fine.
need it.
I had slow potion on. Thank you.
Good thing you had, because you would be dead.
Oh, 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 okay. Go middle, 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 middle.
Come. Oh, what the fuck? The way he's like doing this.
Oh god, he's spinning. Oh jeez.
Oh my god! I survived that.
GG.
Ow.
Where's my shit? Oh,
Where's
I
my...
was trying to hit him with arrows.
Come on,
I got the last hit.
Come
Oh
on.
no, why me again?
Oh,
son of a...
Oh,
Oh, Felix got it.
I thought that was
Oh
my arrow.
no!
I got the elytra.
Steven,
Oh
get
no.
the
Guys,
dragon
it's the limit.
once.
Oh,
I haven't
GG.
hit the dragon
oh, careful with the
once.
stuff.
The netherite was worth it.
Oh jeez.
Good job.
Felix, you get the right to
Ah.
take the egg.
Ghosty took the...
Oh yeah.
Ah,
I got the
Okay,
XP.
Oh,
Damn
there's
it.
the stuff. Okay.
The actual egg on the fountain, I mean.
wait, but where's the elytra?
I already got it.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, jeez.
Right? Yeah. Where did it go? Where'd the
Where
egg
did
go?
it
Over here.
Right here.
Okay, cool.
Next
does
to
anyone- I
Dr.
have a
Wolf's
torch.
pile
I've
of
got
stuff.
torch here.
I have one.
Oh god, that sound. What
That
does the egg
didn't
do? The egg
break.
does
There we
nothing.
go.
It's just
Hey.
a trophy.
I have somebody's iron pants, a chicken
There you
head.
go, Felix.
Yeah, that's
that would
probably Dr. Wolf's.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna need to make a really good build.
Okay,
well,
where's
I
here's
guess
the
that means...
here's the portal thing. This way.
Oh, I think I got some Dr. Wolf.
I don't have
stuff.
any blocks
have-
in mine.
Come here, Doctor.
I have a lot of ender eyes, so
Oh, nice.
pearls, ender pearls. So
What
we
portal
block-
thing? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, we
There.
can make ender chests and stuff.
can. Ow!
Oh, he's very aggro on you. Oh.
I hope we're not
Don't
trying
look
to
at the
destroy
Enderman.
Their mind to spend.
No, they're yours to sell. That doesn't mean no one can find one.
Yeah,
Did you just go through without building for everyone else?
it did.
Wow.
All right. Where did my scaffolding
Wow.
go? We need to get scaffolding up there.
I have some.
I have two.
I have
I
43.
have
Oh,
60.
if you guys have scaffolding. then-
I just can't move there because
Okay,
there's an
Alex.
Enderman.
Okay. Just
Okay,
leave us all
Mr.
behind, you know.
Flexing.
Not like we're doing this together.
Is there another one behind me?
I got the dragon head.
Oh,
You dropped the head.
yeah.
Amazing.
I don't
So,
have blocks. I need scaffolding.
did you...
I do
Scaffolding is
have-
good.
I have.
do you want
I have.
to-
Oh
like
wait, I
blocks.
forgot. Yeah, you can just. Yeah, I'll just scaffolding up and then.
Yeah, that's what
oh,
I was gonna do, but I didn't
Yeah.
have... I only had two.
Set up.
Not all-
Almost
Yeah,
there.
that's... Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
there
there
you
you go.
go.
That's good.
And then whoever
I
has
don't
blocks
have
can
any-
build around. But wow, Alex, I've never seen someone so hungry to just explore without everyone.
Oh, careful.
Wow. Anyone got wood for a trapdoor?
I was like, oh, they're all gonna
No.
jump through. I'll
No,
see.
no,
Uh,
no.
yeah, one sec.
I
Hang
only
on.
have... I only
Oh,
have
for
stone.
God, though.
One moment.
I have some pearls.
Well,
I
if we
was
do
thinking
a
you guys were
trapdoor,
gonna go back
Hang
to
on.
the
easier
ender
go through.
portal.
Oh, I see what you want to do. Yeah,
I think this thing,
forgot
this
about-
platform needs to be bigger.
well, we can do
There
that.
you go.
And you'll get
What's
more of
the-
these eventually.
Oh, you're angry
Too
at
angry.
me.
I'm very glad he
Oh.
wasn't angry at me because I wouldn't know
Yeah.
what to do.
Did you?
I have a knockdown, like a last knockdown, at least.
Yay!
Don't really know. Oh, there you go. I don't really know if I want to go explore here yet. I'm kind of eager to just jump through the through the thing. Okay,
They
I'll
are
go.
doing that. Stupid scaffolding.
Oh, I did it, guys. What's that? You guys hear that?
Yay! I got a flower.
Little foxy.
On the plus
How
side,
do
at
you
least.
make this?
Tim, do you want to be my partner to selling elytras?
Where's this last
50-50.
silk?
Sure.
Can confirm.
There you go. I got a partner.
Hexagraph is the best goblin there is.
Mhm.
Where's
Also,
this
there any
silk?
shulkers here?
if you bow the if you use a bow on the chorus fruit block thing at the top, it knocks it over. case.
What's the
No.
deal with the?
Did you put down the nether wood and like a very crooked walkway?
Yeah, that was me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Credits. Dun, 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 dun.
Credits.
Anyway, yes.
I need
All
up.
the
Oh,
things.
hi.
Hi. And crystals time. 1. A 2. A 3. Are we ready? Are we ready? Let's get that on the hotbar. Let's get that ready. Pop that down. Put that on the hotbar. Yes. Woo. Pow. Ah. There it is. And a elytra, guys. 1, a 2, a 3. Hang on. A 3. And let's just let's test flying first for a second. Oh, there we go. Probably didn't actually need the bone meal thinking about it, because I can now fly up to them. So yeah. Let's take the potion of slow. And now boom. We're gonna build the beehives, the bee huts, the bee places. It's the bee greenhouses. Not the nest. We got the nest. The nest's already there, but we're gonna actually have like a place for them. And boom, it's done. Well, this side is. I built it up. There will be a glass down the middle as well, but at the moment, I'm still breeding the bees, so I need the space to breed them up. I need to fill that block in too. There were some block issues. I need to build this a bit better around here, decorate it a bit more. But this is all functional, and I've got this side as well, but this side doesn't have any bees in it yet. That side doesn't have bees, and it's already producing a little bit. Let's grab the honeycomb. I can make another block and stick it in that hole. There we go. Boom. Magic. Yes, guys. Did you know that's the best way to harvest pumpkins? Throw your axe at it. I'm so clever, guys. So clever. I'm like the cleverest person ever. So my next goal is to actually go for an explore. Hi, Mr. Ha, stupid baby zombie. Yep, such intelligence there. I'll grab the boat. Run around here. And pop into the nether. And out we come. And down this way. So this is our spawn island. We haven't done a lot yet. I don't think anyone's built any shops, but that's where we're going to be making a commercial district and stuff. Shops, games, fun things. So that's where we're going to do all of that. Smoky smoke. What's going on? Huh. Interesting. Oh, it smells a bit funny. Whoa, what? Chosen for project. That's a big number. 5,469,676,572. Wow. Lots of projects, all carefully selected from several now destroyed worlds. What? Destroyed worlds? Uh-oh. Don't let it be in vain. Proceed as you please, but know that they are watching. They will seek contact when needed. Okay. Very, very strange. Oh. Okay. That's got 2 books, screw copies of that book too. Very interesting. Oh, strange, guys. I don't know what that's about. Something very odd is going on here. Hi guys. So we've got a drown with a trident here. I'm gonna see if I can murder him with some arrows. I can indeed. Boom. Let's see. Did he drop a trident? That's the question. There's the XP. There's the rotten flesh. Doesn't look like he gave me a trident. Okay. Guys, I just got a trident from a round. It's only got 3 durability right now, but I believe it is the first trident on the server. So I need to get it home so that I don't die with it and lose it forever, because that would be horrendous. So I'm gonna whiz home and I'll see you back when I'm at home. And I can store the trident safely back in the chest. Hi guys, so we made it back and the trident is going safely in here. In my tools and things chest. And I will wait until we've got mending so that... Oh. Yeah, my pants broke. I'm sorry, you don't want to see that. I will look up so that you don't have to see the bottom half of me. That makes sense, right? Yeah, I need to get some new pants. I think I have someone. Alright guys, that is the end of the episode. We got a lot done. Yes, we did. And today, so we made bees. We made a big beehive over the other side of our island, over there, over that way. Not the way I'm pointing, the way I'm making you point. You know. Anyway, and yeah, and then we fought the dragon 3 times, but only twice by ourselves. So we only got 2 wings, 2 sets of wings. Well, 2 pairs. So 4 wings. We've got 4 wings, but there's two sets of them. That you need 2 wings to fly. You can't fly with 1 wing. That's a bit that's quite difficult to manage. That that's like a hang glider, right? I mean, I guess it's possible, but you can't really fly. I mean, glide, but not. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So we've got 2 sets of wings, and maybe we'll get to the end with those. Fly. I mean, we've got to the end. We'll get to the end cities and get some more Electra and more wings and do more flying, and maybe even get some magic boxes. Magic boxes, guys. Magic boxes. Yes. And yeah. So that should be good. But if we do, we'll do that in the next episode. So, see you guys next time. Goodbye.